Strong winds are being blamed for this tragic incident at a political rally in Mexico. At least 9 people were killed when the stage occupied by presidential candidate Jorge Alvarez Maínez suddenly collapsed onto a crowd of supporters. Maínez can be seen in the white shirt waving his arms at the rally before noticing the structure falling above him and running for safety. He was able to escape the collapse unharmed. Video of the aftermath showed powerful winds continuing to hammer the event, adding to the chaos. In addition to those killed, about 50 injuries were reported, including several members of Maínez's team.